Alright, so this is the hammer by flexrotor. One of the guys in the group sent to me to do a little build on for him. Battery goes on the bottom. It'll hold a pretty big battery too, so I mean you could probably get, I don't know, 3,000 milliamps underneath this big old bastard if you wanted to. Plug comes out of the bottom. There is a top for it, I just don't have it on right now so you can see the inside. It's got a naze in it. And then right there, it's got a 4-in-1 littlebee Pro 20 amp. Good to 4S and 5-inch bull nose. This one's designed to hold the ESCs under the arms if you want to put them in there. As you can see, there's cutouts, but I like to keep my 4-in-1s because they're just clean, and I ain't had any problems out of any of these burning up yet so far, so I'm happy with them. I'm running it on 4 or 5 different quads I've built. This is the top for it. And it has a cutout that comes in it for your antenna, of course, and camera mount, which when it's on there it sits like yay. And you've got a mount here for a GoPro that comes with it. I don't have it on yet because this is test. This will be the first maiden of it. Haven't flown it yet. I just got done installing Beta Flight 3.0.1 on it. Newest firmware. So we're going to do a little flight and see how this frame does. And then I'm going to get it out this weekend. Hopefully if the weather ain't bad, and get a good hard test fly on it. Maybe a couple crashes, I'm sure. Plenty. Test the durability. The frame designer asked me to make sure I checked it and test it and see how it flies. See how it does with the cutouts. The arms are thinner, but they're fat. So, I mean, they're real fat and they're durable. I've been on it and I tried to break it. I twisted on it. I tweaked on it. It's a pretty tough frame so far, but I've twisted on carbon I thought was tough, and so, you know, it busted. So we'll just have to fly it and see what it does, of course, like all of them. See if it holds up like a fossil or a raggy. That's kind of what I'd compare it to. It is a little bit thicker and bigger, and it's pretty much a totally different shape. Once you get it, you'll see they're different. I've got all of them. I've got the raggies. My partner's got the fossil, so I can tell it's different shaped. It's same material, same design, kind of different. This has got a 2-piece spacer on it instead of a 1-piece like the usual ones use. But yeah, so this is what we got. It's the only receiver I had, so I'm running PWM. See, they're just signal, no grounds off the ESC. This is just a quick build for a test flight and a review. So we're gonna do a little hover here and see what she does. Let's get her plugged up and get her bound to my devo. It's always good. No lights. Got all my lights. No smoke. Big plus. Let's see what this thing does. See how it kind of just handles under a hover. It's still really good, quiet, real quiet, especially for 2 blades. That's crazy. Beta Flight, man, I'm telling you, that new Beta Flight is on point. I ain't done any adjustment to the PID. This is stock Beta Flight 3.0 or 0.1, the newest. It's on point. Got a BL heli on the ESC, the newest, like all of them I've done. got the T-motor airgear, 2205, 2450 kV. You can buy these at mine and Rick's store. They're $49.95 a set of 4 with props. Pretty good price for T-motors. I'm really impressed with them. They're nice motors. Plenty of power. That's the damn thing. It's only 3S, by the way. This will fly 4S, no problem, but it's only a 3S. I'd say she flies pretty damn good. Got a little whippy there, but yeah, I'm happy. See what she does out on the road. Get her out and fly her. Alright.